This video, we're going to talk about how to get sniper entries. So, you already know how it goes. Run my intro. Hey friends and new traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Matt and I teach day traders just like you how to become prosperous and successful by teaching different tips and strategies. With that being said, let's get into this one. So sniper entries is pretty much getting in at a right moment with the least amount of drawdown as possible. And the best way to do that is obviously going to a lower time frame. And the best sniper entries always happen either on the 15-minute or the 5-minute. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly that. So first of all, I got to break down the chart. So let me just break this down for you real quick. So we got this downtrend currently in the market. And at some point, we expect the market to come back up and retest this trend line, correct? So this right here will be a point of interest. As well, we have structure right here. So that gives us extra confluence on where we want to place our trade, right? So once again, we have this downtrend and the market comes back up. We're looking for a third touch as well. We got this break of structure, resistance, turn, support. So what we'll do now, we'll go down to a 15-minute because that was a daily chart. So just to give you this is what it looks like on a 4-hour. Right, so this, let me just show you 4-hour real quick. So 4-hour, if we were to enter on a 4-hour, you could possibly enter on this bullish candle right here. Let me highlight it. You could enter on this bullish candle right here. Or in my other previous videos, we have the return candle, the only candlestick pattern you need to know, which would be this candlestick right here. 1 second. Will be this last up candle, and all you have to do is wait for the market to return to it. So for us, this is a 4-hour sniper entry where we have the return candle, comes back to this up candle right here, touches 1, 2, 3 times. You can enter multiple times, and as you can see, this last time it actually did hit the trend line. But for us, we want greater entries. We want better snipes to take down the target. So we can go down to the 1-hour. The 3-pin bar formation right here. So we have one wick, a higher wick in the middle, and another lower wick to the right of that. And then we have this big candle right here. Right after that, we could have entered. But the thing with that, we will have to put our stop way above here, right? We don't want that. That'll be like 100 pip stop loss. We don't want that. That's not a sniper entry. So could break it down even further to the 15-minute. So remember my previous videos. If you haven't watched it, the only candlestick pattern you need to know, that pattern happens on every single time frame where you have the market gives you big imbalance with a up close candle going, and then it goes to the downside, or a down close candle where it goes to the upside. And then in this instance, we have the up close candle. So you can mark it off either at the wick or at the actual body of the candle. But I'll put it at the wick just because after the wick we have nothing here to the upside. There's no up wick right after this down move. So now if you go to the right of the screen, I'm gonna show you the sniper entry. Boom. Right here. Hits that level. You can enter right there. Let me mark this level off as well so you can see. Just for your stops, where you'll place your stops. So as soon as it hits this level, you could enter. It might be scary at first, but once you do it a few times, you'll be used to it and you won't be afraid to enter right there on a returning candle. And as you can see as well, we do have the three pin bar as well on the lower time frame. So I'm just marking off this high to bring it back to see exactly the exact level. It's probably just right at the candlestick. Yeah, so it came right to the candlestick. It didn't go above the candlestick. So if you wanted, you could have placed your stop loss right above this candlestick's high. What is that? Could be 1 to 2 pips. Or if you want to be a little bit safer, you put it right at this high, 5 pips. So imagine having 2 to 5 pips of drawdown, and then right after that, you're good. Or if you enter right here. So for the sniper entry, I'll enter like right at the wick, or these two candles put together is one. So I put it like right here. So you could actually put it like your stop right here, which is the 8 pip, or you can put it a little bit above this candle's high. So you don't have that much of a drawdown. The drawdown is like maybe 2 pips of drawdown. So that's how you get snipers entries. So just break down the chart. You want to know your point of you want to know your level of where you want to get in. You want to look for like some type of imbalance where the market just goes down and there's somewhat of a gap, and you want to mark that level off because eventually it is going to come back to that level and then continue to go down. So that is the perfect way to get a sniper entry. So I hope you liked this video. I hope it was insightful. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I am out. I am forever paid. We are forever paid.